on the demand to take a drug test, no, for a government official, for all government officials, especially the president. Nakatali yon sa kanyang oath. When he took the oath as president, he said there that I consecrate myself to the service of the nation. So, ibig sabihin nun, ibinibigay niya yung buhay niya sa bayan. So, ibig sabihin nun, ang nagmamay-ari ng buhay niya ngayon ay ang taong bayan. So, kapag sinabi ng taong bayan na gusto namin mag-drug test ka, hindi ka pwedeng humindi. As president, as vice president, hindi ka pwedeng humindi. Kasi that is a question on your competency to lead. And to erase all doubts on your competency and your decision-making skills is just to do the drug test. Kasi wala namang rason kung bakit ka hindi. Sasabihin mo, pride, ayaw ko mag-give in sa inyong mga paninira sa akin. That's a very flimsy excuse for saying na hindi ako mag-drug test. Para matapos na, gawin mo yung drug test. At hindi yung klase ng drug test na ikaw yung magsasabi kung paano ko ito gagawin. No. This is a drug test na invested ang public. So it has to be the public who decides on how to do that drug test.